hi there. Yes, I've got high gloss on. No, it's just very warm. We've got one of those thunderstorms brewing outside. And so I thought, what can one do when it's that warm and sticky? One can bake. Not really. Well, I was going to, but I had 3 Granny Smith apples waiting to be used up, and I'd promised my husband I'd bake an Appeltaart and so a Dutch apple cake. Anyway, he's due home today. Well, it's a day early, but he's due home because of that storm. He didn't want to pack up all his camping gear in the rain and come home all wet and yucky, so he's actually coming home this afternoon. So I thought, oh, what better way to welcome him with an Appeltaart. I'm sweltering. So, oh, what one does. Anyway, it's a lovely day. Who's complaining?